promising businesses. Imagine an entrepreneur who runs a solid company but deliberately avoids registering for the government's UDM portal. Why? Because they are terrified that registration will invite heavy taxation, aggressive compliance audits, and an endless trail of government paperwork. But this fear creates a massive blind spot, causing them to miss out on structural incentives that could skyrocket their business growth. To understand how this mindset paralyzes a company, let's look at the actual misconceptions surrounding formal registration. The first misconception is the taxation illusion. Many founders believe that the moment they sign up for an MSME certificate, they will automatically be hit with new taxes or audits. In reality, tax liabilities are triggered by your total revenue and specific tax laws, not your UDM registration status. By staying in the dark, the business isn't avoiding taxes, it is simply avoiding growth. The second misconception centers around the compliance burden. Owners assume formalizing means drowning in red tape. They don't realize that the UDM portal is a fully digital, zero-cost, self-declaration system that takes less than 15 minutes to complete. By letting these fears dictate strategy, a business owner experiences severe economic consequences. They trap themselves in informal credit markets, relying on high-interest cash loops because they cannot access priority sector bank loans. They also face market exclusion because modern corporate buyers refuse to deal with informal, unregistered suppliers. So, how does proper awareness rewrite this narrative? It transforms registration from a perceived threat into a strategic growth tool. When you look at the facts, formalizing actually shields your cash flow. One of the most powerful, yet least known benefits of UDM registration is protection against delayed payments. By law, once you are registered, corporate buyers must clear your invoices within 45 days. If they delay, they are legally forced to pay you 3 times the bank rate in interest. For a small business, this single piece of information transforms compliance from a burden into a structural weapon that protects working capital. Furthermore, correct information reframes the cost of capital. A registered MSME gets immediate access to bank credit lines at significantly reduced interest rates. It swaps out expensive, predatory debt for safe, state-backed capital. To map out this transformation, a business must step away from a defensive, fearful posture and move toward a proactive expansion framework. By clearing away compliance myths and completing a free registration, the business gains instant access to legal protections, slashes its borrowing costs, and opens doors to lucrative institutional contracts. Ultimately, keeping your business hidden out of fear doesn't keep it safe, it just keeps it small. True security comes from formalizing, protecting your operations, and leveraging the economic tools designed to help you scale.